Ever wondered why a powerful chest is critical in nearly anything even remotely athletic? From boxing to swimming and even golf, a strong chest is essential for performance. It's not just about aesthetics. A well-developed chest provides stability, power, and endurance. Today we are going to dive into two key exercises to sculpt that Spartan chest, the bench press and the Spartan push-ups. Both are popular, yes, but we're going to bring a fresh perspective to them. These exercises may be common, but our approach to them is anything but that. Let's delve into the art of bench pressing, the Spartan way. The barbell bench press is perhaps the most common exercise in the world. It's simple yet effective. You lie flat on a bench, lift a heavy barbell off the rack, lower it to your chest, and repeat for all your reps. Make sure to take a wide grip, touching the chest but not slamming the bar into it. Next, we have the incline bench press. This is the same as the barbell bench press, but the bench is set at an incline. This modification helps build the upper chest, a common area of neglect. Lastly, we have the dumbbell press. This exercise can replace either the flat or inclined bench presses. Using dumbbells allows for a greater range of motion and is less harsh on the shoulders. Remember, safety first. Always have safety bars or pins set or use a spotter. Push-ups, the inseparable part of the warrior experience. Ready to try Spartan push-ups? Here's the correct technique. Place your hands just a bit wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your feet close together and your body in a straight line. Now, engage that core as you explode upwards. Remember, push-ups are done for reps, so pace yourself and keep your form, but don't stop there. The beauty of push-ups lies in their versatility. There are dozens of push-up variations waiting to be discovered and mastered. As you increase your strength and conditioning, feel free to explore them. Try different hand positions, incorporate some movement, or even add some weights. Remember, a Spartan chest isn't built overnight. It's the result of consistent hard work, dedication, and smart training. So don't be discouraged if you struggle at first. Keep pushing, keep improving, and soon you'll see the results you're aiming for. Chest training is more about working hard and smart. A Spartan chest is within your reach. Just take action and grab it. To wrap it up, let's revisit the key points. Chest strength is crucial for overall fitness and functionality, and the Spartan way offers a unique approach to chest development. With Spartan bench pressing and push-ups, you're on a fast track to a chest that screams power. Safety is paramount, so always ensure you're protecting yourself during these exercises. And remember, it's not just about lifting heavy, but also working smart. Remember, a powerful chest is not just about aesthetics, it's about strength, functionality, and overall fitness. It's time to build your Spartan chest.